Hello folks, thank you for joining and welcome to Python and R for Data Science channel. Today we are going to install RStudio IDE on Linux, Mac OS and Windows platforms. For queries and suggestions, please leave your comment below on this video or drop us your message on the email address or Twitter handles shown on the screen. I am your Captain Jason Kinyua. Let's get started. Where can I get RStudio from my platform? The answer is on your browser. Go to rstudio.com. This website opens. On the products drop down, there is RStudio IDE. There are some other stuff. You can check them at your private time and free time, but for now pick the first product, RStudio, and that will open this page. We are concerned on download of RStudio, so we go for the RStudio desktop. Leave the server for now. This one is used for collaborated use and it is hosted on a server, so we don't need this one for now. So go for the RStudio desktop, the open source edition. That is what we will go for now. You can as well try the pro, and if you have some coins to spare, when the free trial period is over, you can just buy it. It goes for $995 per year. But if you don't have that money, there is a free version which you'll never pay for forever. It is free forever, so go for that one, the open source edition, and pick the open source RStudio desktop, and that opens another page. Let me show you this page. This is free. We download this one. The download button will open this page where now you are given a list of installers for various platforms, various versions. Pick the version, the installer that is suited for your platform version. So let us get started with Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Let us pick the Ubuntu 18/Debian 10 installer. This one, download that installer. So this is it. Save. Don't open with, just save the installer. It will take some time to download. Cool. When the download is complete, open your terminal. As we saw with our installation, most of stuff that we shall be doing on Linux, we will be doing them on terminal. Now, before we can install RStudio, we need to install an external dependency that shall be used to install RStudio. So give this some time for installation to be done. Then we shall use it to install RStudio. So once that is done, go ahead and do sudo Okay, why? So that package will take care of external dependencies that RStudio depends on. So it will install RStudio alongside the other dependency packages. As you can see, there are some stuff that it is downloading online, and when that is done and all dependencies are met, now it will install RStudio. So that is it. All dependencies have been resolved, and now it is time to install RStudio itself. Yeah, unpacking RStudio. Now we are installing RStudio. And now to confirm RStudio was installed, here we go. How about installing RStudio on Windows? On your browser, go to rstudio.com, products, RStudio. Scroll down, RStudio desktop, choose download RStudio desktop, click the button. Then here you get another page asking you to choose a version and all that. Go for the free version of RStudio. It will open the installation page here. So here you get a button from which now you can download RStudio for Windows. If you want to choose a different installer, that is if you are on a different machine, pick the installer that is good for you. But because we are on Windows, just click the button or pick the installer listed here. It's all the one and the same thing. So download that one. Windows executable RStudio library. The installation, okay, the download has begun, so you give it some time. Yeah, downloads. Okay, download is in progress, so you give it some time to be completed. And once that is done, then you can proceed with installation. Once the download is complete, open File Explorer, go to Downloads directory, open your RStudio installer executable, double click on it to start installation. Yeah, we want to install. Okay, so go next. Now we are not adding anything to path, so just go next. Follow the prompts as they come. Okay, that is okay. And then now wait for installation to be done for you. The Windows will add the rest from now, gathering the dependencies and unpacking RStudio and installing. So give it some time, it will install, and when that is done, just open your RStudio and start coding. Once the installation is complete, click finish the installation. Open the starter menu, type RStudio, and doesn't work. Oh yeah, here it is. Recently installed RStudio. Open it to confirm it works, and if it opens, it means it is working. So here we have RStudio opening. Okay, no problem. Okay, there we are. We have RStudio successfully installed, and that means we can start coding. For those on macOS platform, I'm sorry, my setup is not yet ready, so you are not going to have a guide on how you install on macOS. But basically the process is very simple, just as the case of Windows. The way we did with Windows, what you do is download this DMG installer. Once the installer is downloaded, just double click on it to start installation, follow prompts, and you will be done at the end of the day. Open the RStudio to confirm it was installed successfully. But in circumstances that you fall into errors that you cannot resolve, kindly comment below on this video. We shall get back to you and assist where we can. And basically guys, that is it for today. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time. I appreciate the attention you have given to us. See you in the next side of the video, where now we are going to start the actual coding. Up to this point, we have been preparing the environment, and so far we have R installed on our machines. We have RStudio installed and well configured. So the next thing is to start coding. I can't wait to see you then. It will be interesting, exciting, and guys, it will be cool. I mean, I can't wait. See you then. But for now, thank you very much.